How to design AI, ML, and deep learning training model. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. How to design AI, ML, and deep learning training models. Designing AI, machine learning, ML, and deep learning models requires a systematic approach to ensure successful development and deployment. Here's a general step-by-step guide to help you design such models. 1. Define the problem. Clearly articulate the problem you want to solve with AI, ML, or deep learning. This could be anything from image recognition, natural language processing, time series forecasting, etc. Understand the problem's requirements, constraints, and objectives. 2. Gather and pre-process data. Collect relevant data for your problem. Data quality is crucial, so ensure that the data is accurate, representative, and unbiased. Pre-process the data to handle missing values and outliers, and normalize or scale the features. 3. Choose the right model. Select the appropriate model or algorithm that suits your problem. This could range from traditional machine learning algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, random forests, etc., to more complex deep learning models like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, etc. 4. Split data into training and test sets. Divide your data into training and testing sets. The training set is used to train the model, while the test set is used to evaluate its performance on unseen data. 5. Feature engineering, optional. For some ML tasks, feature engineering can improve the model's performance. This involves creating new features from the existing data to provide more useful information to the model. 6. Model training. Train your AI/ML/deep learning model using the training data. The model learns from the data and adjusts its parameters to optimize the chosen objective function. 7. Model evaluation. Use the test set to evaluate the model's performance. Common evaluation metrics depend on the type of problem, such as accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, mean squared error, MSE, etc. 8. Model tuning, hyperparameter optimization. Adjust the model's hyperparameters to improve its performance. This can involve techniques like grid search, random search, or Bayesian optimization. 9. Validate and iterate. Validate your model on different datasets or use cross-validation to ensure its generalization capability. Iterate through the design process if necessary to improve the model further. 10. Deployment. Once you are satisfied with your model's performance, deploy it in a real-world environment. This could involve creating a web service or integrating it into an application. 11. Monitor and maintain. Regularly monitor the model's performance in the deployed environment. If the model's accuracy degrades over time or data distribution changes, you may need to retrain or update the model. Remember that designing AI/ML/deep learning models is an iterative process. It requires experimentation, testing, and constant improvement based on feedback and real-world performance. Additionally, staying up to date with the latest advancements in the field can help you design more effective and efficient models. Thank you.